So we have permission to put in our driveway. So it's going to be a little turnaround or circle drive. And we're digging this down with a shovel. It's a slow process. But here's the good thing, we're filling in holes. So we had some holes in here. So this is all filled in nicely. And grass will come back nicely there. Also on the other side. And then up here against the house, you can see that one side is high, which is good because that way it's sloping nicely. But then we have a nice hole here. So we're starting to bring it up. And what we want to do is get that water running out through here. So it's going to take quite a bit more. But we'll keep digging. We have lots of ground here to cover. So we'll be able to fill that in, and then we're going to probably look at some holes in back. Once we get this all dug out, then we're going to bring in some modified gravel. Spread that out. That'll even everything out. And then after that, we'll put in crushed stone and maybe field stone on top of that, like 2 or 3 inches. Give it a real cool look. But that's going to take a lot of time. Over here, we're going to have to remove these 2 pieces of concrete sidewalk. And then we'll put in our bluestone sidewalk, because it's going to be part of the driveway here, just like it is over there. And we have to come around this tree here. Well, the sidewalk will go up and over like it did over there. So that's where we're at.